How to disable flashing effects on Candy Crush Saga. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn on how to disable flashing lights on Candy Crush Saga. So, without further ado, let's begin. Open Candy Crush Saga on your phone and make sure that you sign in or create an account on Candy Crush. Now tap on the gear icon at bottom left corner of your screen or simply you can access play button and tap gear icon from top right corner. Here you will see variety of option. Select accessibility. Now on this section here you got the flashing effects. Simply toggle the button off and turn back to gray. You can even see the cross mark and that's how we can successfully disable flashing effects on Candy Crush Saga. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.